Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen that how we can insert a chart or graph in Excel sheet. Now here in this video we are going to learn how we can insert image in Excel file. First of all, we have to add the library we want to add. Just copy this and here we say go get and just paste and download from the internet. So I have already downloaded, that's why it is not going to internet, but if you have not installed, then install this in your module in your application. Then by using this library, just open a file that is already created in my previous video, fruits. If there is no error, file is available, then go to this, and we are using this defer function here to execute it to close this spreadsheet. So we are just closing it by using this function. It is executing automatically. Now we create a new sheet. Under the new sheet, name is sheet 2. In a sheet 2 that we have here, and we set it to active sheet because I want to do some type of adding information or some adding images on a sheet 2. So first of all, we check this Excel file. We have here some value, and on the basis of this value we have a chart. So we have learned how to draw this chart in previous video, but in this video I'm going to create a new sheet here, sheet 2. Under the sheet 2 I want to insert some images. I don't want to disturb this sheet, that's why I want to insert the image on a sheet 2. So now we have just, that's why we created sheet 2 here. And then by using set active sheet, we have just turned this sheet as an active sheet. Now we are adding a picture image in sheet 2 at the location of A2. Remember that I just comment all these information right now. One by one I will just enable it. So it's a first image that I want to add without giving any particular parameters. Just simply I am adding actual size image here. I am not passing any your parameter for this image. If there is no error at all, then we will be successfully add this, and we are saving this file because this file is already created. So just after inserting this, we are just saving this information, and then by using this function, and we say image inserted in Excel file. Okay, now I try to run it. Go run, add image, try to run it. Image inserted in Excel file. And remember that if I open this file again, and you see this sheet in Excel, sheet 2 is active sheet, sheet 1 is this, automatically sheet 2 is created, and I have an image like this, full flash image of Krishna and Radha. That is the image which I am inserted here in place of you see A2 cell. We have inserted this image. See this A2, we have inserted the image. Now next image I am going to insert at this J2. Here I am going to insert the next image. So with some parameter, so just I do this, and I just uncomment it, remember, and I pass here J2 as a cell, J2, and same image that I want to add, but I want to give scaling also. Scaling means, scaling is 0 to 1. 1 means 100% size, 0.5 means is a half size of the previous image. Means original size image should be added as a half size here. So just I save it and try to run once again. Because image I have not closed this, so I have to close it first. Then once again I try to run it. Now file is created. Now go to this once again, and you see this image half size is here because we have reduced this size to scaling the half one, 0.5 size, this one. If I close it, and I want to change again size of this image. So I can give here that 0.7 and 0.7. you see, save it. Again I run it, file created, and then once again I try to execute it, and you see the image is little bit large. So it is the older one image, you see. Save it. Once again I try to execute it like this, then once again I try to run it, and I have an image like this. So with the help of this parameter scaling, we can change the value 0 to 1 here, and like this we can increase or decrease the size of the image. And the next one is with some other parameters. So what I do, I just uncomment this one also, and this Excel image is there, and here is P2. So from Q2 here, from here I want to insert this image. So I say at the place of Q2 I want to add this image once again with the offset value, this the space from left and X and Y coordinate from the Excel sheet on this place. Then it is printable or not. Yes, if anybody want to print, then same this image can be printed with the data. And there is locking the aspect ratio. We are locking here the false, means default is false, lock false. These all lock falses work only when we have your password on an Excel sheet, then these lock will work, otherwise they are by default false. So log aspect ratio is false, and we can make it true also, but they will work only when we have the password protected Excel sheet. So these are some information. More parameters are there you can set. I'm just showing you example that you can set some parameters also with image to shed this image, and the same image I am inserting here. Again, once again I run it. Now go to this folder and I try to see the changes. You see the once again we have the third image here in Excel sheet, and here we can increase and decrease this as per our comfort, you see. So all these informations, all these image we have inserted in sheet 2 of Excel sheet with the help of Excelize library. I have given you the way, 3 types of way to add this image here, without any parameter, and with some scaling parameter, with all other parameters, printable parameter, offset and other. And you can add more parameters also. For that you can go to the Excelize library documentation. So go to this library documentation, and there you can see what kind of parameter you want to give with adding of this image. If you want to add any image and you want to add the image with some kind of validations and some parameter, so you can do, and for that read the documentation for that. And it's just an example to understand that you can insert image also in Excel file by using Excelize library. It's a very powerful library and simple also. If little bit of time you spend on this library, it will work wonderful on your Excel sheet. So I think you learn something from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.